Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm going to demonstrate to you transmittance and dispersion in OpenGL C++ with GLSL. So the objective of this video is to demonstrate the transmittance effect and the refraction effect on different objects with different ratios of transmission and reflection. So you can see here on the screen that I have an object on the right and some properties on the left that I can change. And the first property that I can change in the shader is the ETA, the eta, which is the ratio between reflection and refraction that is given by the Fresnel equation, the Fresnel formula. So this ratio directs how reflective and refractive the object is. So you can see here on this bowl that the ETA is 152, which is the ETA of glass usually, and you can see that it is reflective and refractive at the same time. So if I lower completely the ETA, you can see that it becomes very refractive, and that there's only refraction going on this sphere. And if I increase it, we can see that the refraction starts to disappear and the reflection starts to increase a lot until it's totally reflective. So this is given by the Fresnel ratio. I'm going to put it back to around 150. So and also the objective was also to demonstrate chromatic dispersion, which is made by modifying the way the R, G, and B colors of the refraction are directed separately. So you can see here that there's some chromatic dispersion in the refraction of the object, and I can change it by moving these sliders. So it will change which color gets refracted more or less, so more red or not. You can see here. And I also implemented different objects, so we can see how this reflection and refraction occur on different types of objects. So we have a sphere here, we also have a cube here, so totally refractive, not reflective. We also have a cone, we also have a torus that can be very reflective if I slide it there. A diamond. So the ETA of a diamond is usually around 250, and it reflects more than it refracts. And we finally have a teapot that, if I put it completely reflective, reflects all the environment, so the skybox around. And if I put it to the glass ETA, you can see that it refracts and reflects at the same time. I also implemented different skyboxes to have some change in the program. So I implemented a snow environment skybox, so we can see the chromatic dispersion very well on this skybox environment. I also implemented a church environment, so we can also see it very well here. If I put the reflection to the maximum, we can see that it reflects very well. If the object is moving on the side, it's because I'm rotating the sphere, so that's why there's some vibrations here if I'm not rotating. I also implemented a beach too, so we can see the trees that are behind us because they're reflected. So I can lower that a bit. And finally, the Niagara Falls I also implemented, so we have different skyboxes around. Thank you very much for your attention.